Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase your calcium levels naturally. First, focus on your diet. Incorporate calcium-rich foods like milk, yogurt, cheese, and dark leafy greens such as spinach and kale. Many fortified plant-based milks and cereals also provide excellent calcium. Aim for about 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams of calcium each day, which can be achieved through 3 servings of these foods. Next, let's talk about vitamin D, which is absolutely essential for calcium absorption. Without enough vitamin D, your body cannot properly utilize the calcium you consume. You can get vitamin D naturally from sun exposure, aiming for 10 to 30 minutes several times a week. Also, include foods like salmon, mackerel, and fortified milk or orange juice in your diet. Beyond diet, your lifestyle plays a significant role. Regular weight-bearing exercises, such as walking, jogging, or lifting weights, help build and maintain strong bones. Furthermore, try to limit your intake of caffeine and high-sodium foods, as these can interfere with calcium absorption and increase its excretion. Avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption is also vital for long-term bone health. Finally, remember that other nutrients like magnesium and vitamin K also contribute to bone health. A balanced diet, full of diverse fruits and vegetables, supports overall well-being and nutrient absorption. If you have concerns about your calcium levels or bone density, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for tailored advice and guidance. They can help you create a personalized plan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.